I'll guide you through the process of buying cryptocurrency on Binance P2P without paying a single cent in transaction fees or falling victim to common payment scams. The Binance P2P marketplace is the most efficient gateway for local currency, but you must follow the escrow protocol strictly to ensure the platform's security vault protects your funds. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open the Binance app and navigate to the P2P trading section found under the Trade tab to access the direct peer-to-peer marketplace. Select the Buy option and choose your desired cryptocurrency, such as USDT or Bitcoin, to begin filtering for available sellers. To find compatible trade partners, set your local fiat currency and use the filter tool to select your preferred payment method, like a local bank transfer or mobile money. Look for merchants with a yellow verification tick and a completion rate above 98% to ensure you are dealing with a fast and reliable professional. Enter the specific amount you wish to purchase and tap Buy to trigger the escrow system, which instantly locks the seller's crypto so it cannot be moved until the trade is finished. Copy the seller's payment details from the order page and switch to your banking app to transfer the exact amount as instructed by the seller. After sending the money, return to the Binance app immediately and tap the Transferred Notify Seller button to officially log your payment within the system. You can use the built-in chat feature to send a screenshot of your successful transfer if the seller requests it, but never agree to move the conversation to an external app like WhatsApp. Wait for the seller to verify the receipt of funds and release the crypto, which will then appear instantly in your Binance funding wallet. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.